Welcome back to the InfoFlex. Have you ever wanted to monitor a physical sensor in real time from anywhere in the world? Or even control a device? Well, that's exactly what we are going to do today. We will be connecting a potentiometer to our ESP32 to read analog values, sending that data to Firebase, and also control the LED from Firebase. So let's get started. We will require the following components for this project: ESP32 dev board, potentiometer, LED module, breadboard, and jumper wires. Connect the middle pin of the potentiometer to GPIO 35. Connect the left pin of the potentiometer to ground and right pin to 3.3 volt of the ESP32. Connect the G pin of the LED module to GPIO 14 of the ESP32 and ground pin to ground pin of the ESP32. Now let's set up Firebase. Go to the Firebase console. Create Firebase project. Enter the name of the project and click Continue button. Then again click the Continue button. Disable the Google Analytics and click Create Project. Now the project is created. In Build, click on the Authentication. Click on the Get Started. Then select Anonymous. Enable it and save it. Now in Build, open the real-time database. And click Create Database. Select the real-time database location and click Next button. Then select the Start and Test mode and click Enable. Now copy the web URL and paste it in the code. Click on the Add button where we will monitor the sensor values. Again click on the Add button to control the LED. Now click Setting, select Project Setting. Copy the Web API key and paste it in the code. Then install the Firebase ESP client library. As you can see, I have already installed the library. Now upload the code to the ESP32. As you rotate the potentiometer, you will see the value updating instantly on Firebase. This data can be accessed from anywhere. You can replace the potentiometer with sensor. I have used it as a prototype of sensor. Now let's try controlling the LED remotely. From the Firebase dashboard, change the LED status to true for on, and you can see the LED is turned on. Now change it to false. And you can see the LED is turned off. It responds in real time. And that's it. A fully functional IoT project that monitors a sensor and control an output device through Firebase. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.